In today's Genealogy Research Minute, we're going to take a look at the DAR Ancestor Search. This is dar.org, and they have several genealogy and research links to resources and information. You should browse around and see if there's anything helpful to you. What I'm showing you is all on their public site. Up here, you see the GRS, Genealogy Research System. You can scroll down and choose the Ancestor Search. You can then enter a surname or any other information you have to try to locate the ancestor. The results are a list of any patriot they have confirmed at some point that matches the search criteria. You can then look at location and other information to determine if it is the patriot you're looking for. The ancestor number is a designation for the individual and will take you into their profile record. If there are warnings on a profile, read them carefully to make sure you don't have to re-verify the Patriot service. You can see spouses and any children that members have had lineages through. You can also purchase the lineages to see more information on the generations and use it to fill out your own application using birth and marriage certificates to prove you connect to someone in that lineage.